Hey everyone, we are given a special binary tree where a value of a particular node is the minimum value of its left and right node, which basically means that row dot value is equal to minimum of node dot left and node dot right. So if this holds true, we know that node dot value, I mean the root value is the global minimum because it is going to store the minimum of it. So a global minimum will be found at root dot value. The question says that we have to find the second minimum value in the tree. And if nothing like that exists, we have to output -1. Now, the thing here is that we know that our root value is the global minimum. Now, second minimum value will obviously be greater than equal to, has to be greater than root dot value. If there is no second value, we have to return -1. See, there are two things. At any given node, either that node dot value, either it will be greater than uh, root dot val, or it will be greater than, or it will be equal to root dot value. Now, if my node value is greater than root value, I know that node value, since this source a minimum, the children will always be either greater than equal to this value. In that case, we don't have to find the more greater element. We just have to return no dot value in this case. So return no dot value in this case. Else, let's see what happens. If my node value is equal to root value, it means the children of this can have a value greater than or equal to node dot value. So in that case, we have to explore its left and right child and find the answer. In the end, we just have to, check what is the minimum of the return values and return that. So let's do that using DFS. So getting started, this has to return an integer. We are going to DFS into the tree. So we have a tree node root. And let's say, yeah, we're exploring the node and I have a minimum value called int minimum. Now, what do? I first check if my node is null. If this node is equal to null, it means that there is no minimum, so we return -1. Fine. Now, else what do we check? We have to check if my node.val is greater than root.val. So we don't have root.val here. We have a minimum variable here. So we'll pass root.val value to the minimum firstly. And if this is greater than minimum, what do? We return no.val since that is strictly greater, right? Else, what do? We explore the left child and the right child. So exploring left means DFS of no.left and minimum value, and we explore the right child. So right would be DFS of no.right. And when we have explored left and right, then what we check if my left and right is not equal to -1 and my right is not equal to -1. It means that we found minimum values both the sides, and then in those minimum values we have to return the second most minimum value, right? So it means we have to return the minimum of left and right. Else either value was -1, so return whatever is not -1. So if left is not equal to -1, return left, or else return right. If both are -1, so by default -1 would be returned as right value. And yeah, so we call DFS here, and the initial values would be root, comma, root.val. So yeah, this is the code. Submitting this. Yeah. So test cases have passed, and yeah, that was it from my end. Thanks for watching. Bye.